Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DPMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2012 question number 2. Which of the following is true, and in 4 options 4 statements are given. Let's go one by one options. Option A, every relation in 3NF is also in BCNF. This is false. Every relation in BCNF is also in 3NF. BCNF is more strict version of 3NF, so every statement is BCNF also in 3NF. But every statement in 3NF is not compulsory to be in BCNF. Next option B, relation R is in 3NF if every non-prime attribute is fully functionally dependent on every key of R. This is false. 3NF is not strict. Every non-prime attribute is not necessary to be fully functionally dependent on key. Next option C, every relation in BCNF is also in 3NF. Yes, this is true. Next option D, no relation can be in both BCNF and 3NF. This is false. There can be some relation which is both BCNF and 3NF. So answer will be option C. Every relation in BCNF is also in 3NF. BCNF is more strict version of 3NF. I already discussed 3NF and BCNF. Just to go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.